What if I told you that the secret to mastering any subject, from complex calculus to intricate historical events, lies in a study technique that most students completely overlook? We all know the traditional way of studying, right? You pick a subject, say calculus, and you spend hours, sometimes days, just on that one topic. This is what we call blocked learning. But what if there was a better way? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of interleaved learning. Simply put, it's a study technique where you mix different subjects or topics during a single study session instead of focusing on just one at a time. Imagine instead of cramming a single subject for hours, you could effortlessly switch between topics. Maybe 20 minutes of history, then 20 minutes of chemistry, followed by 20 minutes of literature. Sounds intriguing, right? It might even sound counterintuitive at first, but trust me, your brain will thank you. So why does this seemingly chaotic approach actually work wonders? It all comes down to cognitive psychology. When you interleave, you're not just reviewing information, you're forcing your brain to constantly retrieve information from different contexts. This process, known as contextual interference, actually strengthens your memory traces. Think of it like a workout for your brain. Just like your muscles grow stronger and more adaptable with varied exercises, you wouldn't just do bicep curls every day, would you? Your mind benefits the same way. When you constantly switch topics, your brain has to work harder to recall the right information for each subject. This builds stronger neural connections and better long-term memory. Let me tell you about Sarah. For years, Sarah struggled with math and science. She spent hours on one subject only to forget it a week later. She felt stuck in a cycle of cramming and forgetting. Then she discovered interleaving. She started dedicating shorter mixed blocks to her subjects, even practicing problem types from different chapters in the same sitting. Suddenly things clicked. She wasn't just memorizing, she was understanding. She could apply concepts across different problems. Her grades soared and her confidence skyrocketed. The beauty of interleaved learning is that it's incredibly easy to implement. You don't need fancy software or expensive tutors. Just grab your materials and let's mix it up. Mixed subjects rotate between 2 to 3 topics every session. For example, 30 minutes biology, 30 minutes Spanish, 30 minutes economics. Mixed practice problems. Don't just do chapter 7. Pull problems from chapters 3, 5, and 7. Force your brain to choose the right strategy. Regular reviews. Combine multiple weeks of material in one review session. The key here is active recall and discrimination. Your brain learns to identify different problem types and apply the right strategies, instead of just relying on context clues. So, to recap, interleaved learning is a powerful, research-backed study technique that mixes different topics in one session. It strengthens your brain, improves memory, and boosts problem solving. Now, here's my challenge to you. Don't just take my word for it. Try interleaving in your next study session. Pick 2 or 3 subjects you're working on and dedicate short rotating blocks to each. Or, when practicing problems, mix up the topics. You might just find that the secret to success was hiding in plain sight all along. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried interleaved learning or if you're excited to give it a shot.